So there is now a new American sprint hope for breaking the 25-year drought for the USA in the women's 100 meters at the Olympics. Over the weekend, 21-year-old Shari Richardson scorched the track with a personal best 10.72 with a tailwind of 1.6 seconds for the 6th fastest time ever. And we're hearing now that she's a favorite for the gold medal in Tokyo and blah, blah, blah. But just a reality check. This is the same young miss who ran 10.75 as a college student in 2019. And back then, we heard all these wonderful superlatives. And guess what? She never even made the U.S. sprint team for the postponed Olympics last year. And look, 10.75 and 10.72 are no joke times. But I want to see Shari Richardson, first of all, make the U.S. Olympic team, and then come to the Olympics, manage the rounds, and then produce these kind of times when it matters most. Running 10.75 and then nothing for 2 years and then 10.72. That is fast sprinting, yes, but that won't earn her the title of Olympic champion or even sprint great. For Miss Richardson to break those barriers, she will have to conquer our tried and proven champions in Shelley and Fraser Price and Elaine Thompson-Herrat, and then we can talk. Not before that, then we can talk. But for the time being.